Welcome to A Taste of K. In this video, I'll show you how I make Haitian legume. In a previous video, I showed you how I cleaned and marinated the beef. The vegetables I'll be using is eggplant, chayote, carrots, cabbage, watercress, and frozen chopped spinach. I'll start off with cleaning the watercress. It is very important that you take your time to clean the watercress. You'll see why in the following clip. I clean the watercress by using warm water. The debris will float to the bottom of the water and the watercress will float to the top. Transfer the watercress into a clean container. Now this is why it is important to clean the watercress. At the bottom of the pot, there are 2 small snails. I repeat this process 3 or 4 more times until the water runs clear. I go through each leaf, making sure it is clean, and then snap it into pieces with my hand. This is the end result. I'll rinse it one more time and set it aside. Allow the beef meat that was marinated to come to room temperature before starting to cook. After cooking for 15 minutes with the lid on, you can see the meat has produced its own liquid. I'll let it cook for an additional 10 to 15 minutes before adding the vegetables. Add all of the vegetables on top of the meat, starting with the spinach and watercress. As you can see, there is no way for me to put a lid on this pot to allow the vegetables to steam on top of the meat. What I've learned to do is take a different pot that is the same size. After the vegetables have been steaming for a while, it will produce its own liquid and you'll be able to cover the pot with a lid. Once the vegetables are fork tender, go ahead and remove them into another container. By steaming the vegetables on top of the meat, it soaks up all the flavor that we use to marinate the meat. In the center of the pot, add tomato paste and allow to cook. Once the tomato paste has cooked and some of the rawness of the tomato paste is gone, go ahead and stir into the mixture. While this is cooking, I'll move on to smashing the vegetables. Add the vegetables back to the pot. I reserved some of the cooked carrot, which I sliced, and I'm adding back to the pot. Taste and make any adjustments. Let cook for about 20 minutes uncovered. And here you have it, Haitian legume. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.